Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen Blessing. Now, if today is your first time of stumbling on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by to even check out what I have to offer. It means a lot to me, okay? And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always coming back to check out your girl. Today's video is kind of okay, creating this hairstyle for you guys. I just wanted to try this hairstyle. I've been seeing a lot of people try it out. I'm like, okay, yeah, it looks really cute. It looks really nice. I'd also like to try it out. So I decided to give it a shot. I experienced some challenges here and there, which you'll see later in the video if you watch all the way to the end. But I was able to pull it off eventually, and I'm super excited about it. Now, this is a really cute, hairstyle. It's just, I'm wearing the Sensationnel French Wave Ponytail. That's this one in 30 inches. So, and I got this Cleopatra pin or I don't know, clip to create the high genie ponytail look. It's kind of I just kind of like the look, and this style is something you can wear to, like, about any function, when you just want to like look chic and different. Yes, this is something totally rock, and I really like that it's different, it's nice, it's full, can be styled in a variety of ways, as you can see. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look and all the challenges I experienced while creating this look, stay tuned to the end and keep watching. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I mean, this is a really fun and safe place, okay? You'll have so much fun with me, I guarantee you. Yeah, so see you in the video. I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit within you. I'll take the heart of stone out of your flesh and give you a heart of flesh. Ezekiel 36:26. Alright guys, so I finally finished doing this front part. it was so super stressful for me, and I think partly part of the reasons why that happened is because I have very fine hair. Even though it's natural, you can see that it is really really skinny. So I have very fine hair, but I'm done. So initially I was trying to use the Murray Beeswax, but it wasn't working for me. Like, my hair kept reverting, so I had to go in with the A-Bean donut gel, like I showed you guys, while I was trying to get the hair done. So this is the final, outcome. So I'm just going to go ahead and start connecting them, so that I can, just get that style. I hope it works out, but I'm just going to try my best and see what I can do. So yeah, I'll get back to that, and then you guys should keep watching, okay?
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so this is what it's looking at right now. I haven't put my ponytail yet. I'm going to show you guys in a minute, but I want to try this genie because I want it to give me like this very high genie look. So I'm going to go ahead and try this to see if, I'm able to work with it. So I'll just go ahead and insert it. It's called I think they call it the Cleopatra hair clip or something like that. I'm not too sure. So I'm just trying to see if it works. It's so weird because I don't know how to. I need to hook it in, but it keeps coming off. Alright guys, so I was trying to fix this earlier on, and it was giving me a little bit of trouble. But I also now realized that the bond that I created is kind of too far back, because I need it to like come forward a bit, because I want it to be like up here. So I decided to just add some hair extension, Kanekalon braiding hair to my ponytail and to my bun, and just wrap it around to see if I can get some length to work with, so the ponytail can really be high. So I would try this one more time. Hopefully it works this time around, because I kind of moved the hair forward. So I hope it works this time around. It's in. Oh, thank God. She's in already, and yeah, I kind of moved it forward a bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this around here like so. So this is what I'm going to attach my ponytail to at the end of the day. I can actually go out like this, guys, right? Yeah, I can actually go out like this, but nope, that's not where we're stopping. So the ponytail I'm using today is by Sensationnel hair. It's the French Wave 30 inches ponytail, and it's, as you can see, the texture is wavy. It's not exactly new. I've had it for a bit, and I mean, it still works. It's still very okay because I take good care of my hair extensions. So I'm going to show you guys right now what she looks like. Yeah, that's what she looks like right now. Every time I always make sure I detangle my ponytails, my wigs properly before putting them back, in the original pack they come in. So this is what she looks like. So what I'm going to do now, just to add some just to define the curls, is I'm going to go in with this cancel comeback curl next day. It's actually good for human hair, and I've tried it for my premium fiber hair extensions too, and it works perfectly. So I'm just going to spray a little over it like so. I usually don't like to put a lot of product on my fiber wigs, because I just feel like it's sort of a waste, but sometimes too you just have to do that just to get the frizz and everything out of the way of the wig or ponytail. My ponytail is from Diva by QB Wigs. I'm going to drop the link down below in the description box, so that if you want to check out the ponytails that we have. That's actually my store, guys, so it would be great if you guys can check out my store at Diva by QB Wigs. And yeah, you get a lot of glam stuff there. So yeah, you can see that it's a lot tamed now, and not so all over the place. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and attach the comb, because it comes with 2 combs and the drawstring. So I'm going to try and secure the combs in that braid I already created over there. I'm just hoping that it's it doesn't come off. So here we go. So I'll just try and put that under the braids. So my comb is in there already, and then I'll go ahead and do the same for the comb at the back. Unfortunately, I want to show you guys, but I don't think it's gonna it's gonna show properly, because it feels like it's coming off already. So I just have to try and secure it as quickly as possible before everything comes falling. So yeah, I'm trying to use my hands to hold on to the ponytail, to the combs, and then trying to use my other hand to pull the drawstring, because once I'm able to pull the drawstring and the combs are secure, then I'm good to go. Okay, wish me luck, guys. Feels like she's coming off. Oh no, please don't come off. Okay, finally. Finally. But yeah, this is it. This is what I had in mind. Only if the Cleopatra pin would just stay put and stop trying to go backwards. But if she wants to go backwards, I guess I'm gonna let her slide. Okay, so yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a struggle with this, but this is the final look. So let me just turn back and show you guys like the 360. Okay, so this is what she looks like at the back. I haven't like tucked the drawstring in, but that's what she looks like at the back. Okay, and this is the side view, and this is the front. I had to spray the Dota Body weightless oil over it. It's called Illuminate Me oil, because I was having white residue and I didn't want that to happen. And I know why that happened, because I had a lot of product on my hair, and my hair is light, like you guys know. She's very, very light. So yeah. So what do you ladies think? What do you guys think? What do you think about my hairstyle? Do you think it's cute or not? Is it something you want to try? Can actually push her to the side. You know, the options are, you know, endless with this one. You can push it to the side, and you can just leave it to the back like so. Just make sure you secure your Cleopatra pin properly when you're doing yours, and don't be like me. And you can just, you know, look cute. Oh, I really, really like it. I'm glad it turned out nice, because this was kind of what I had in mind. So I'm really excited, guys. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment down below, okay? So yeah, that'll be all for today. I'm really tired, guys, because I've been at this for like the whole day, so I'm really exhausted. But I'm glad I was able to also do this for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share and comment. Don't forget to follow me on social media as well at Queen Blessing. So I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and TikTok, so you can check me out there as well, so that we can be friends on and off YouTube. Okay, I love you guys. Till I come your way again next time. Stay fabulous. Toodles.